But Foxton Locks, we just had a breakfast sandwich and coffee, and we're just walking down, and there's loads of children in a minute, so I'll turn the camera off. Don't want to be filming them. I've got a fair lot of logs on this one. Mousy grey, is it?
I think it's
I don't think you'd have that amount of wood on a hire boat.
I would have forgot the wood stuff.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen one. Yeah. Lovely, isn't it?
It is. When you get out of the room, it's really quite warm,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it was quite gusty at the top,
Yeah.
and down here it's you'll sit here for a bit if you want to watch the boat come through.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, let's do that. Children are out the way. Yeah. Mind you, get quite a reflection off it, don't we? Shall we move? Sorry. I was going to film it, but we're into the sun. Oh yes, the wind's come up again. Just happened to catch it in the right sort of position. So what, you're going to clean the oven today? Tomorrow now. You'd rather be here. Why is that then? I thought you enjoyed cleaning the oven. Did you hear him say there's plenty of water or something? Yeah, look good, don't they?
But they've got birds in there.
Oh yeah.
Reed things, reed things.
Yeah. Have to watch your head going through here.
Yeah. Berries against the what's that? Yeah. Oh, the flowers, aren't they? Not berries.
The flowers, yeah. Yeah. It's lovely, isn't it? Look at the rolls. Yeah, they're quite a bit dearer than the top calf. Yeah. I bet your brother's out in his boat, isn't he?
Yeah.
Where is he? Do we know?
Heading towards Leek.
Leek?
Mm-hmm.
Staffordshire, isn't it?
Yeah.
Leek? Yeah.
Very nice holiday, didn't we? Just outside.
Yes.
We liked Leek, didn't we?
Yeah.
Like the Wetherspoons.
Oh, Wetherspoons,
It
yeah.
was pouring rain, remember?
Yeah.
Absolutely wet through.
Yeah.
And it was full of little rooms, wasn't it?
Yes.
And we just sat there till we dried off.
Yeah, it was quite a long walk, wasn't it?
Was in the rain.
Yeah. I don't think that'll go back in the water, do you?
We did quite a bit of cycling, didn't we?
Oh yeah, and walking. That's Leek was near the Tittiswell Reservoir, wasn't it? In Leek. We cycled to it several times to the calf, didn't we? And we went up Gun Hill. That was used for the practicing for the Tour de France or something. was the hills called? We went up in the van when we shouldn't have done. I can't think of the name. Not the Cheviots, no.
What, the Roaches? That's another
The
trip, wasn't it?
the Roaches.
Yeah, it's another trip.
Yeah, it was the Roaches.
Yeah, the border between Derbyshire and Staffordshire is some lovely country around.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
That's what I like where we live, is the main roads are quiet,
Yeah.
and they're country lanes anyway.
We just have to cross that one, don't we, when we come out the Rockingham Road, just have to cross it. But apart from that,
What, the yeah, to get to East Carlton and
there's
stuff,
no
yeah.
bother at all. Is it?
No. Yeah, very peaceful today. I thought it'd be a lot busier than this.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very, very pretty.
It's well looked after, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the Forsyth there?
So there's lots of
Forsyth.
Forsyth, yeah. Yeah.
That's a nice length, isn't it?
Hmm?
That's a nice length.
Length, yeah. That's a short one. It's from this sign onwards, it's 7 days free mooring. That's why there's a lot of boats. Oh yeah. Well, do you want a massage? I think their belt's going to get wet.
To wink it up, but never.
That's a Chiff Chaff up in here. A Longport Wharf. That's a nice length as well, isn't it?
Yeah, if we ever do it, we'll have a short one. I don't really like the idea of it, but like all the work.
Yeah. You'd rather go on a boat trip on the
Yeah.
water, wouldn't you? Oh, the wind's come up again. Whoa. That's a magnolia there, all in flower. And then we're in Bridge Street, aren't we? Swing Bridge Street. Look at some of the old buildings. I love looking at these because it's such a tidy little village, isn't it? So you've got these little blue flowers here, have you noticed them? Look at these. Lovely little blue flowers. Very delicate, yeah. And you get the newish places, and then you get the old ones. And this is in blossom as well. Look, that's in blossom. What colour of that? Forsyth, yeah, is it? What have they got in there? There's a big flower. A wolf? Are they going to work the bridge? No. Oh look. Yeah. Weak bridge, 3 tons. Maximum gross weight.
Breakfast rolls in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's in the limit.
There's any boats coming through?
Sure.
I just missed one. We always miss one. One just gone through.
Yes, okay, we're going to the house.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
There's a hire boat up there, so probably be another one not too long.
Yeah.
Nice to see the bridge, isn't it?
Hmm?
You see
Yes,
the
yeah, I
bridge.
see the bridge down there, yeah. That's lovely. The lambs, get to see the lambs in a minute. Not sure if it's coming out, but there's a load of sheep under there with the lambs, and the lambs is nearly as big as the mum. Oh yeah, I can see him through there. Just about see him. Pardon? Where's your lambs then? That one. I don't think that one's given birth yet. Trying to get some lambs in the picture, and there's some there with the church in the background. Yeah, they look pretty good.